Hey guys, welcome to the Freelance channel. This is Florante, and today we're going to talk about how you can pay your SSS contribution using GCash. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into your SSS account. Once you're logged in, go to the Payment Reference tab. You can just go ahead and click on Generate PRN. So for this example, I'm going to generate a PRN number as a voluntary member, and at the same time I'm going to pay for the July 2018 to July 2018. So that's just 1 month of contribution, and I'm going to choose the amount, which is 1,760. Now once I have all those set, I can just go ahead and click on Submit Request. Copy the PRN number that was generated. Okay, after you have generated the PRN, the next step is for you to open your phone. We'll go ahead and make use of GCash, but it's not going to be the GCash app, but the GCash where you have to, type in the asterisk 143 and then the pound sign or the number sign. Let's go ahead. Key in asterisk 143 and then the number sign, and then tap on the call button. Okay, the next step is to choose number 8. That's GCash. So you just type 8 and then tap on reply. And then here choose the number 5 by typing number 5, pay bills. And number 2, we're going to choose by category. And then we'll choose number 6 since we're looking for government. Okay, there. So number 2 for this one. And then hit reply. And SSS number 8 for more. So since we don't have it there. And also number 8 for this step. And there you go. Since we are using voluntary, that's number 1. And then number 1 again for contribution. So we're going to enter the payment reference number. Now you have to take note the reference number would include the letter. It includes the whole thing. So if you enter just the number, it will not accept it. It will return an invalid PRN number. So you have to make sure that you also include the letter, if there is a letter on the reference number that was generated for you. So just go ahead and hit reply. Okay, there you go. So it's just a confirmation of the details that you have provided. So you just have to choose number 1 to proceed, because at this point you haven't paid yet. And here you will authorize GCash to charge your account by entering your PIN number. Alright, so you should be receiving a notification SMS. It's a text message, so let's open. There you go. So you have sent 990 to Social Security System. Okay, so that is the confirmation. In addition, you will also be receiving a notification SMS from SSS once your payment has been posted. So you will be receiving 2 SMS notifications. Although I'm really looking for an email notification or receipt. But unfortunately, that's not available at this time. But yes, you can keep that as a reference for the payment that you have made. So that's it on how you can pay your SSS contributions using GCash. If you have any questions, please don't forget, you can leave those in the comments. And if this has been helpful, I would appreciate if you can give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.